right, guys, so happy birthday, Donna. Love you to pieces, my dear friend. All right, so today I think I'm going to do a Wombat Wonder pillow with some blues, and then, of course, maybe do a bloom with some greens for Donna, because we all know she loves her greens. So I put my pillow paint down, which is Color to Go Sherwin-Williams Tricorn Black, and let's just get to do this. Meanwhile, I'll play some music.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Got the boombox blasting, and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, 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 oh. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, 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 oh. I know that I'm just wasting time, but I don't wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. And I know that I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. How I should. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, oh, oh. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you.
she is with my light on. I think she turned out really pretty. I hope you like it, Donna. I hope you had an amazing birthday. I hope you have the best year ever, filled with love, happiness, peace, good health, and all those good things, because you deserve it. You're an amazing person, beautiful soul, and I just love you to pieces. So, alright, so here, this is her with the light on. And then here in a minute, I will show you with the light off, so you can maybe see it a little better. Alright, so here she is with the light off. It's a little darker. You can kind of see the colors a little better, but you can see the shimmer more with the light on. So before me, you had acrylic art by Mary Kirk, an amazing creator. Love her to pieces. And then after me, you have Matilda and Josephine, another amazing creator. This is just 3 days full of amazing people. So please, if you miss anybody, please go back and watch. So, alright guys, I love you to pieces. Have a great day or great night wherever you are, and I will see you on the next one. Love you, Donna. Happy birthday.